story from the project. Innocent black man. Let me be clear. Damn, man. The story from the project. Innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 50. And as you can see, I'm wearing green, so you know what that means. It's Money Mondays, and on Money Mondays, we take it to the house for the spouse. But for some strange reason this morning, I started off red, bad. I didn't know what was going on until I realized I was wearing the wrong hat. It's the Christmas week, so I had to ring my bell and snap my fingers. Then all of a sudden, everything went in our favor. And I'm going to tell you exactly how the hat changed the day. And today, midday, market recap. All right, y'all, let's go over the trades from this morning. But before I do that, I want you to know at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving a stock tip that I think you really need to know, because it'll help you understand the kind of environment that we're trading in, so you understand how to approach it. Anyway, let's talk about the trades from this morning. In the pre-market, nothing really stood out. So anytime nothing really stands out, the only thing I can do is wait for the opening bell and see where people start to place their attention and place their energy. So I got to my desk kind of late because I'm kind of distracted because the family is here, extended family is here, the kids are out of school, so you know it's jingle all the way and it's kind of crazy right now. So, but at the end of the day, I still want to get the trades in. So anyway, by the time I sat down, start looking around, I did see PLTR. It wasn't A quality, but I thought I saw a good entry. It was on that, I don't trade the first candle, but on the second candle, it did start to decrease and slide down. So I thought, okay, we got a good entry on here. But for some strange reason, the I think it was the 10 EMA held support, and my entry for put going down got knocked out, and that's how we ended up losing about $30-something. I do not like for my first trade to be red, because now I'm coming in from a position of handicap for the rest of the day. But anyway, I kept my composure. My next trade was on Nvidia. Let me pull it up. Nvidia. So Nvidia had a nice 2 green candles running up. Of course, you know when candles run up, hit resistance, it's time for them to come down. And that's when I caught my entry on the second candle. That next candle engulfed the first candle. Let me know I made the right decision and made some of the money back. I did not add, because if it went against me, I'd be down further. But this one allowed me to recover some of the loss. We were still down about $17. Then I said, okay, what's next? What's next? And then I happened to notice SPY, SPY. Let's pull that up real quick fast. All right, cool. Yes, I had noticed that SPY had where we at? Let me look at this real quick fast. It was right around here. Yes, SPY had sold off in the morning initially, and then it caught a nice bounce, and then it started to run up. But I knew then that the bears were kind of in control based on the volume and based on that moving average sitting there. So as it began to reverse, that's when I jumped in. But remember, I'm still down in the Webull account, so I'm trying to recover the loss. Like I said, I don't like to trade from the position of handicap, but that's how it was this morning. So as SPY began to trend down, I'm getting into the green, but then it goes back up. So that's when I add, because I know it's up against the moving average. So boom, it hits the moving average and begins selling back down. I add some more, it continues to trend down, and that recovered the loss and put us in the green position. And that's how we ended the day over there with about 20-something. You can see it in the Webull account. I'll take it. That puts us closer to the $900 level, which we're looking to do. I'm looking to blow these accounts up in the next year, so we got to be ready to do it. Anyway, SPY was still trending down, so I jumped over into the Tasty Trade account. I'm looking for a nice entry now, and that's when I caught the next candle on SPY, which was a bigger red candle going down, and I rolled that one down as well. And I went in initially with 2 contracts on that one because I saw it was that strong, and that netted us about 35. That netted us about $36, $37, something like that. We'll take it, and that's how we ended the day, y'all, with almost $60, $59, something like that. We'll take it. Come on, y'all. We're going to continually grow this account. All I'm going to do is take that amount and throw it into my piggy bank. There you have it. That's what I'm talking about. We are taking these accounts from $100 all the way to $100,000, 250K, 500K, all the way to $1 million. And we are not stopping. Like I said, you don't have to stop at the $1 million. You can go further than that. And you don't have to go that far. You can go to $100,000, which is a nice number for your family. But that's how we doing it. Anyway, now, this is the Santa Claus week, y'all. So everyone be on your P's and Q's. Like I said, I really want to take these accounts to the next level. I want to put the pedal to the metal in 2025 and really get to a significant amount of gains so we can really start taking these accounts to exponential growth. So I want everyone to be ready. Everyone to be ready. So start getting yourself together. Get your discipline together, because we cannot take L's. We're not taking 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. We are trucking forward. We are trucking forward because we have to get to the next level. We got to get there so we can start seeing the kind of results that we want to really see, that change our financial situation. Anyway, now let's get into that stock tip. Let's get into today's stock tip. I was doing some research this weekend, and looking in my old notes, I saw something that I think you guys really need to know. When you are in the market, when you are trading, hear me clear, guys. When you are trading, you have to remember you are trading in a probabilistic environment. I'm going to say that one more time. When you are trading in a probabilistic environment. That means this. This is not mathematics where A plus B means AB combined, because that's certainty. See, this is probabilistic, meaning that what's the good chance of something happening after something else happens. That's how you have to approach this. You have to approach this saying to yourself, okay, if I do this, if I see this happening in the chart, if I see this kind of structure in this chart, what's the probability of the next thing happening? Because that's what you have to do to become a good, profitable trader. You have to get good at discovering or figuring out what's going to happen next. Because one thing some rules I learned years ago from a master trader. He said, to be a profitable trader, you don't have to know what's going to happen next. All you need to know is my edge present? Meaning, is the thing that I need to see for me to take a trade present? If they are, I'm taking the trade. And if my edge is the kind of edge that puts things in my favor, then it's probable that the trade will go in my favor and I can end up with some gains. I want you guys to remember that. Trading is a probabilistic environment. So always come from that position. All right, y'all. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.